Hello everyone. In the series of MySQL, we are discussing constraint. In last session, we will discuss what is constraint and types of constraint. Before start today's session, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Constraint means rules. Okay. So types of constraints are not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check, and default. Not null constraint. Not null constraint. Ensure that a column cannot have a null value. Unique constraint. Ensure that all the values in a column are different. Primary key. It is a combination of not null and unique. Foreign key. Ensure that the values in a column or a group of a column matches a value in a column of another table. Check constraint. Ensure that the value in a column satisfy a specific condition. Default constraint. Default constraint. Set a default value for a column if no value is specified. Let's check out one by one. So first constraint is not null. The not null is a constraint in SQL which does not allow you to insert null values in a specific column. This enforces a field to always contain a value, which means that you cannot insert a new record or update a record without adding a value to these fields. Here you need to insert some values for specific column. Okay, so syntax is create table, table name in bracket, column name 1, data type, its size, and constraint not null, comma, second column name, its data type, its size, and not null. Okay, example, create table employee in bracket, first column is id, data type int, and constraint not null, comma, second column name is name, data type varchar, comma, third column name is Aadhaar, data type begin. Here we are applying not null constraint on id column. Okay, so here I am use coding with HR database. Okay, so use coding with HR. Here coding with HR is database name. Okay, so press Ctrl Enter. Here database is selected. Okay, so first we create one table and check out what is the need of not null constraint. Okay, so we are creating a temporary table, create table emp. Okay, and here I am mentioning one column id, its data type int, comma, name, data type varchar, size 25. Okay, so I am creating a table emp that contain two columns id and name. Okay, okay, press Ctrl Enter. Okay, execute it, Ctrl Enter. Here table created. Okay, let's check the structure of table. How to check? Use dsc commandment, describe dsc table name emp. Okay, execute it, Ctrl Enter. Yes, here table is created and column, first column name is id, data type int. Okay, second column name is name and data type varchar. Okay, so we are insert values to emp table, insert into emp values and semicolon. Here I am not mentioning values. Okay, and execute this query. Okay, I am not mentioning here any values. Okay, now we are execute this query. Control enter. Okay, here one row affected means data inserted into table. Let's check out what data is inserted into your table. Okay, so you select query, select star from emp. Okay, here null. Okay, if you are not mentioning value for a column, then it can by default insert null values. Okay, that's why you want to apply not null constraint on columns. Okay, so we are create another table employee and apply not null constraint to columns. Okay, so we are creating new table. Create table employee, column name, first column name is id, data type int, and constraint. Okay, not null, not null. Okay, not null. Second column is name, data type varchar, size 25. Okay, also I am adding another column Aadhaar number. Okay, data type big int. Okay, execute, control enter. Okay, zero rows affected means one table is created. How to check table is created? Not by using show tables. Okay, query show tables semicolon. Yes, here employee table is created. In coding with HR database, two tables are present, emp and employee. Okay, let's check the structure of employee table. How to check? What is the query? dsc means describe table name employee. Okay, semicolon, execute. Yes, first column is id, data type integer, and null no means here you want to insert some values for id column. Okay, you cannot insert null values here. Okay, means you want to insert something values or some values to id column. Okay, let's execute. Insert into employee, insert into employee values. Okay, and I am here not mentioning values and just execute. Okay, here it will show error message. Okay, it will show error message. What is error? Field id doesn't have a default value, means here not null constraint executed. Here we are mentioning not null constraint to id column, that's why it will not take null values. Okay, so here we want to mention something values for id column. Okay, so one name, om, and Aadhaar number. Okay, 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, control enter. One row affected, mean data inserted successfully. Let's check. Sorry, here is employee emp table. Okay, we are inserted data into employee table. So query is select star from employee. Okay, semicolon, execute. Yes, here one row inserted into employee table. Okay, that's why not null constraint is important. Okay, so next point is not null using alter command. Database user can easily add not null constraint to the existing table by using alter table statement. Okay, if you have already existing table and you want to mention not null constraint to a particular column, then you can use alter command. Okay, so syntax: alter table, table name, modify column, column name, data type not null, semicolon. Okay, employee alter example alter table employee, modify column Aadhaar, begin not null, semicolon. Okay, let's implement practically. In employee table we are already applied not null constraint on id, so we are applied not null constraint on Aadhaar column. Okay, by using alter command. Why? Because we have already employee table. Okay, so query is alter table, table name employee, modify column Aadhaar, data type begin and constraint not null. Okay, press Ctrl enter. Okay, here 0 affected means not null constraint applied successfully. Let's check how to check by using tsc command. Okay, describe. Okay, here Aadhaar begin, data type is begin and null no, means here right now you cannot insert null values, it cannot take null values. Here you want to mention some values for Aadhaar. Okay, Aadhaar column. Okay, so next constraint is unique. In SQL, a unique constraint ensures that all the values in a column are different. The unique constraint prevents duplicate values from being inserted into a table, ensuring data integrity. When creating a table, you can use unique keyword to define a unique constraint on a column. Here, unique constraint ensure that syntax: create table, table name in bracket, column name 1, data type its size unique, comma column name 2, data type its size and unique. Here you can mention unique constraint column level and table level. Example: create table employee in bracket id, column name is id, int and unique. Here we are applying unique constraint on id column. Okay, comma name varchar its size, comma next column Aadhaar begin, end with semicolon. Okay, practically implement. Okay, so I am drop employee table. So I am dropping employee table that is previously created. Okay, so drop table employee. Okay, execute. Okay, so table employees dropped successfully. Let's check it is dropped or not. Okay, okay, drop table employee 0 affected means table dropped successfully. Let's check out show tables. Here in coding with HR database only one table is present, that is emp. So employee table is dropped successfully. Okay, so we are creating again employee table with unique constraint. Okay, so let's before that we are check what is the need of unique constraint. Okay, in emp table, okay, here emp table we already created one emp table. Let's check data from emp table. Okay, that is null. Here we are inserting two values. Okay, here we are inserting one value. Okay, in emp table. Okay, so query is in emp table. Okay, so we are here inserting some values in emp table that is previously created. Okay, so 1 comma name om. Okay, let's execute. Okay, one row inserted successfully. Let's check. Okay, one and row. Here I am inserting another row. Okay, select star from emp. Here what happened? So id values of id will be duplicate. Okay, so that's why here in id can be unique. Okay, id must be unique. So here values are duplicates, that's why we need unique constraint. Okay, so that's why we are creating another table. So we are creating employee table, okay, with unique constraint. Okay, so let's create table, create table id data type int unique. Okay, second column name is name, data type varchar, size 25. Next column is Aadhaar, data type big int. Okay, create table name is employee. Okay, employee. Let's execute. Okay, here table created successfully. Let's check the structure of table. How to check? By using dsc command. Describe employee, semicolon, press Ctrl Enter. Yes, here table employee created. Okay, so first column is id, data type int, null s. Null s means it will take null values. Okay, key unique, key unique. Key unique means here unique constraint applied to id column. It cannot take duplicate values. Okay, let's execute some data. Okay, here we are copying one query, insert query. Okay, I'm executing. Let's check data inserted or not. Okay, here one record inserted successfully, id 1, name, om and Aadhaar number. Okay, so I am inserting another record also. Okay, so I am here I am changing name om to Ram. Okay, and Aadhaar number also. Okay, let's execute. Okay, yes, here it will show error code. Okay, duplicate entry 1 for key employee dot id means here id 1 is duplicate because we already insert id 1. Okay, let's check data. Okay, here id 1 is already present, that's why you cannot insert id 1 again. Okay, means it will not take duplicate values. Okay, unique unique constraint on multiple columns. Okay, you can mention unique constraint on table levels. Okay, so syntax is create table, table name in bracket, column name 1, data type size, comma, column name 2, data type and its size, comma, then unique and in bracket list of column names. Okay, example, create table employee in bracket id int, comma, name varchar 100, its size, comma, Aadhaar big int, comma, and unique constraint, that is unique keyword and in bracket name of the column. Okay, here you can mention multiple column names. Second example, create table employee in bracket id int, comma, name varchar its size, comma, Aadhaar big int, comma, and constraint keyword uc underscore emp. Here uc underscore emp is constraint name. Okay, here uc underscore emp is constraint name, then unique keyword and in bracket list of columns. Okay, so let's, okay, so second point is unique using alter. Okay, if you want to create a unique constraint on a column when the table is already created, you should use alter command. Okay, by using alter command you can apply unique constraint on columns that is already existing. Okay, syntax, alter table, table name, add unique in bracket list of column names. Okay, second syntax, alter table, table name, add constraint is keyword, constraint name you can mention here any valid constraint name, then unique keyword and in bracket names of column. Okay, column list. Example, alter table employee, add unique in bracket id. Here we are applying unique constraint on id. Example second, alter table employee, add constraint underscore emp. Here uc underscore emp, it is constraint name. Okay, unique constraint name underscore emp, you can mention here any valid constraint name, then unique keyword and in bracket id, comma, Aadhaar. Here we are applying unique constraint on two columns id and Aadhaar. Let's see how to implement practically. Okay, here we are already applied unique constraint on id, so that's why we are applying unique constraint on Aadhaar only. Okay, so you can mention any column names. Okay, so alter table, table name is employee, add constraint add constraint constraint name uc underscore emp. Okay, and constraint is unique. Okay, unique and name of the column. Okay, so I am applying column name Aadhaar. Here you can mention multiple columns. Okay, so execute. Here query executed successfully. Let's check the structure of employee table. Yes, here column name is Aadhaar, data type big int and key is unique. Here we are applied unique key on column Aadhaar. Okay, here we are using alter statement. Here we are used alter statement because your employee table is already existing. Okay, okay, here is one point, remove not null constraint. Okay, if you want to remove not null constraint you can use alter command. Okay, if you want to remove not null constraint then you can use alter command. So syntax is alter table, table name, modify column, column name, data type, null, semicolon. Okay, example, alter table emp or employee, any table name, modify column id int not null, sorry, null. 1. Okay, because emp table is already existing and another table is employee created, that's why I am creating new employee table. Okay, so how to remove not null constraint, I will show demonstration of how to remove not null constraint, that points will be missing. Okay, so that's why I am using, so that's why I am creating emp1 table. Okay, let's execute. So table 1 is created here, here table 1 is created. Okay, so let's execute, let's check the structure of table. Okay, here, yes, null, oh sorry, here employee. Okay, so we are here. So describe emp1, control enter. Yes, here no means here we are applied not null constraint. Okay, so you want to remove not null constraint, then you can use alter command, alter table, table name emp1, modify column, column name is id, data type int and null. Okay, so we here we are removing constraint not null. Let's execute. Okay, here execute modified column successfully. Let's check the structure. Yes, here null, yes, means not null constraint removed successfully. If you like today's session, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.